How to save photos and videos automatically from Messenger. In this guide, I will show you how you can save photos and videos automatically from Messenger. Let's get started. First, open Messenger app on your device. Now once you are in, tap on this menu icon right here. Now once you tap on menu icon, you'll get many options. Just tap on the settings right here and scroll down until you see photos and media. You can see photos and media right here. Tap on it. Now here you can see save photos and videos option right here. You can just toggle this on so that the photos and videos will be automatically saved to your device after you send them. You can also tap on this open in external browser. In this way, your links will be shared in messages will open externally. And that's it. This is how you can save photos and videos automatically from Messenger. Hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.